So I just wanted to see where I download the offline maps to, if I download them on my computer, if I can transfer them. So just popping it in, it looks like this, like a normal phone, because it is running Android 8.1, so it basically is a giant cell phone. So what I like, DCIM, I didn't take any pictures with the camera, I did do the video, and it has it labeled off the bat, front and back. It's really convenient instead of having it in two separate folders or not labeled at all and calling it 1 and 2, which is super annoying. So right off the bat, I like that. It's a TS file, so I'm not sure if it's going to play on this computer. Let's test it. And there you go. So was that me even? No, that looks like that was the demo. That's why it looks so nice. That's the back of my garage. Let's try to go. But so just by default, it does play it through on Windows 10, just through the default app, which is also nice. You don't need any third-party stuff just to watch the videos you have on there.